Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix incoming call problem in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G. So if your incoming call is not showing on the screen in Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix incoming call problem in your device.